we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Stahls Merch Maker Heat Press, 9x 12-inch, compact heat press machine with LCD display, consists of the following features. Compact 9x 12-inch platen size. Perfect for small to medium-sized projects, the Stahls Merch Maker Heat Press offers a convenient 9x 12-inch platen size, ideal for customizing t-shirts, bags, and other items. Easy to read LCD display. Stay on top of your application time and temperature with the Merch Maker's LCD display. This clear interface shows essential settings for precise results. Quick heat up and countdown timer. Heats up quickly to your set temperature, with built-in lights to display the application countdown, ensuring efficient production and professional results. Precision temperature and pressure control. Designed for consistent heat and pressure distribution, providing even and accurate applications every time. Adjust pressure, temperature, and time conveniently with the handle control. Lightweight and portable. Weighing only 30 pounds, the Merch Maker is easily portable, making it an excellent choice for both home and business use, and for moving between workspaces or events. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.